Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send bulk follow-up emails automatically using Gmail for Typeform. As whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one follow-up mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account. For that, we are going to connect our Typeform to the Gmail, and that will be done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation where we can connect our Typeform to the Gmail, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one follow-up mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account. But before that, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how it will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I already created before, where I am going to enter my all details. That is, the first name I give as test, last name I'll give as user, one test contact number, email address, and the company name as Pabbly. After that, I'm going to click on the submit button. Here you can see our form is submitted. Now I am going to check my Gmail account. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail instantly. That is, the subject is thank you for sharing your details. Hi test user, we have received your information and will get back to you shortly. You can see immediately a follow-up mail will become to my Gmail account, and that will possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here I have done this as a test example. You can create your mail completely based on your choice and also add more content. Now for creating this automation, at first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing an automation, and that will done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining, and the free task consumed. Here in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where at first you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. Now as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is in modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the workflow name, so I am entering the workflow name as send bulk follow-up emails automatically using Gmail for Typeform leads. After that, you have to select the folder from here that I select as Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens, where for starting the creation of your workflow, at first you have to select your trigger application. For that, you have to click on this plus option, where you have to choose the app. So here I am searching my trigger application as Typeform. Here I select it. After that, the app event I select as new entry. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you can click on this select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. After that, I am going to click on this connect with Typeform button. Here you can see it will ask me for the permission, so I am providing the permission by clicking on this accept button. See, my Typeform account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I already created one form in my Typeform account by the name of my form. Now I am going to show you this form. For that, I am going to take you to my home page page of Typeform. So this is my Typeform account where I have created one form by the name of my form. You can see this is the form where I have mentioned the field, that is the first name, last name, phone number, email and the company. Here I added only some fields because I am doing this as a test example. You can also add many things in this form. After that, now I'm going to click on this share button. Here you can see it will provide you one link that you have to copy from here. Here I am opening this link in a new tab. Now before that, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this response, I am going to again fill my form by entering some data here. Here I am going to provide my first name as Smart, last name as User. After that, one test contact number, email address spatm@pablitudes.com and company name is Pably. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. Here you can see our form is submitted. Now we will check our workflow, that we have received the response or not. See, we have received the response 9 seconds ago. That means our Typeform is successfully connected to our Pably Connect. Now the setting up of our trigger application is done. After that, the action application I take as Gmail. For that, I'm clicking on this plus option where I'm going to search the app as Gmail. Here I select it. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection button. After that, I am clicking on the sign in with Google button. You can see it will again ask me for my permission. For that, I am clicking on this continue button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pably Connect. Now in the next, you have to write the sender name in this field. So I am entering the sender name as Bright Path Solutions. After that, here I selected the sender email address. You can enable this toggle if you want to do the mapping of the response that you have received from your previous application. After that, in this recipient email address, I am going to do the mapping of the email address that I have received from my Typeform. Here I select mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, the CC, BCC and the reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email subject in this email subject field. That is, thank you for sharing your details. After that, in this email content, I am going to write the email content. Here I added. Now I want to add my username after this hi. For that, I am clicking on it. Here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application. After that, that is my user's full name, Smart User. Here I have done the mapping. With the help of this mapping, whenever this mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account, then it will include their specific name. After that, you have to select the email content type. As I created this email content in the form of HTML format, so I am selecting the HTML here. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this link below. Here also mention the complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email. After that, the labels I select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the name of the file in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received one mail or not. See, I have received the mail which includes my name as Smart User and one message that is we have received your information and will get back to you shortly. We have received the mail, that means our automation is working correctly. After that, now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this workflow, you have to click on the three dots and click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you a share workflow link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. This will not only save your time but also give instant follow-up mails to your users within a seconds, and that will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pably Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pably Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pably.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pably.com. If you want to know the price details about Pably Connect, then you can visit www.pably.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.